In real life, it's a lovely thing. I enjoy working silent for a audience, because it's Sudoeste intimate in a theater. When suddenly alteration is gone, you have to look at time, and I have to look at you. And the connection is very deep and intimate, because there's no words to distract you. They're looking at very line of your face. And in looking back at time, I think you was in college. I began to get tired of the idea of magic pattern. Because most magicians would be saying this idiotic stuff. Like your primeiro ave a red ball. Redundante, dupé, pretentious blater. In this very room, tegriato di nuance. It made me want to pass outubro. It was a rebellion against pater. It was to say very clearly to the audience without speaking to the audience. No, not really, I just shut up. Going at the character form is shutting up. Other people good and filter imaginary drawers. I just shut up.